Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add shipping class ID column to shipping classes table in WooCommerce WordPress using custom code. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in shipping section. So we are in shipping tab. You see shipping class, slug, description, but you don't see shipping class ID. So we are going to add it. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open. Scroll down, you can add title here, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down, select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Scroll down, you see insert method, auto install, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to shipping table. Now refresh the page. Now you see ID 85, 86. So this is our shipping class ID. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.